Hi, today I am in front of you with one more new concept, that is decimal numbers. Which are called decimal numbers? For example, 1 by 10 is there. So 1 by 10 is fraction, but 1 when you divide with 10, here 1 is smaller than 10. So what we do is, here we put one 0 and point. Here before putting the point we will get 0. 10 ones are 10, 0. So 1 by 10 can be written as 0.1. This class is for 8th class. In your previous classes you learned, so I will start with the 1 lakh position. Lakhs. After lakhs, here what will come? 10,000. In lakhs, 10,000 is 10th part. In 10,000, 10th part is 1000. In 1000, 10th part is 100. In 100, 10th part is 10. In 10, 10th part is 1. In 1, 10th part is 1 by 10. In 1 by 10, 10th part is 1 by 100. In 1 by 100, 10th part is 1 by 1000. So from here onwards, the decimal number place values will start. So deci means 10th part. So after, if you are moving right side, what happens? The 10th part decreases. Crores. 10th part 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs crore part lakh. 10th part 10,000. 10,000 10th part 1,000. 1,000 10th part 100. 100 10th part 10. 10 10th part 1. 1 10th part 1 by 10. 1 by 10th part 1 by 100. 1 by 100 10th part 1 by 1,000. So here what we are learning today? Today we are learning how to represent a given number in decimal form. First thing. For example, 1 by 2 is given. 1 by 2, how to represent? Divide 1 with 2. You must be perfect with divisions. So 0.25 is a 10. So 1 by 2 can be represented as what? 0.5. But if you take the case of 1 by 3, what happens to 1 by 3? 1 dividing with 3. 0.033 is a 9. 1, 0. Again, after putting point at every place, you can take 1 0. 3 3s are 9, 1 0. 3 3s are 9, 1 0. 3 3s are 9, 1 0. It won't stop. This is called non-terminating decimal. What it is called? Non-terminating decimal. Okay. So, how to know whether the given fraction without dividing, does it comes terminating or non-terminating? If the denominator is 2, or if the denominator is 5, or if the denominator is 2 into 5 multiples, either 2 multiples or 5 multiples or 2 into 5 multiples, then it will become terminating decimal. Otherwise, for any other prime number, it will become non-terminating decimal. With 1 by 2 already we have learned one. Okay, I will show you again. Say 7 by 2. 7 I am dividing with 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 0. 2 5s are 10. So we got terminating decimal. Okay, I will take here 1 with 5. 5. 0.0. 5 2s are 10. It is also terminating decimal. 2 into 5 means what? 1 by 10. You divide any number with 10, it will terminate. Not only with 10, with 1,000, with 100, with 1 lakh, 10 multiple. So if the denominator is 2, or if the denominator is 5, or if the denominator is 2 into 5 multiple, then we will get terminating decimal. Otherwise we will get non-terminating decimal. Okay, we will check with one more prime number. Our best prime number is 7. I am dividing 1. here 0.0, 7 1 ja 7, 3 0, 7 4 ja 28, 2 0, 7 2 ja 14, 6 0, 7 8 ja 56, 4 0, 7 5 ja 35, 5 0, 7 7 ja 49, remainder 1 I am writing here, again this starts. So here 1 4 2 8 5 7, again it will repeat. So this part is called period. This part is called period, and the number of digits in this period are known as periodicity. Periodicity. Periodicity is how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6. And here what is the period? 1 4 2 8 5 7 is the period. In the similar way, we will get for some more, okay, with 7, with 3 already we checked, with 7 over, better take 11, 1. What happens? We will see 0.0, it won't go. So put one more 0. 11 9 ja 99. 1 0. Every time we can take 1 0, but it won't go. I want one extra 0, so I should put 0. So 9 ja 99. So what did you understand now here? 0.0909090909. 09 is called period, and in this 2 digits are repeating again and again. So we will write is 0.09 bar. So this is non-terminating decimal. After this one, how to change the terminating decimal to a fraction and non-terminating decimal to a fraction. That is important in your 8th class exercise. Okay. For example, 0.175 is there. They asked you to, it is terminating decimal. How do I know that it is terminating decimal? Here no bar is given, no dot 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 is given, no numbers are given. So it is terminating decimal. So 0.175 by, you put down also 0. Here down generally what will be there? 1 will be there. 1 point, how many digits are there here in the numerator? In the same number of digits you put. So these became like decimals. In the numerator and denominator they became like. Now remove the point 0.175 by 1000. Now writing a 0 on the left side of the number will not give you any value. So remove that 0 and write 175 by 1000. And now you have to change it into simplified form. With 5 table I will try. 5 3s are 5, 5s are 5 2s are, here 0s are 0s are, 5 7s are 4 0s are 0. So what is the answer? 7 by 40. For any terminating decimal, no need of thinking. Put 1 denominator. After point, how many numbers are there in the numerator? Same number of zeros you put. Remove the point, write one more step, and if any left zeros are there, you remove them, and by cancellation you will get the required fraction. Then how to convert non-terminating decimals? For example, given 0.3 bar, they asked you to change it into fraction form. Let it is equal to 0.33333, you can write. Now here periodicity is how much? 1. You multiply this with 10, because periodicity is 1, 3.33333 will come. Why this number is coming right side means, I will show you with one multiplication. 3.3 into 10, if you multiply 330. In your previous classes you learned decimal multiplication, point comes after 1 digit, because here after 1 digit we have point, after 1 digit if you count from right side, 33. So 3 which was right side before multiplication will come left side. In the same way here also 1 3 will come. Okay, because already you are in 8th class, no need to explain that in detail. Now you take x is equal to 0 point, which we were supposed 3 3 3 3 3. So now I think all of you understood why we made this multiplication, so that the decimal part became equal. We are subtracting now. It is 3 and here it is x. X means what? Single x. This will become 9x. So x is equal to 3 by 9. Here also you have to simplify. So it will come how much? 1 by 3. So 0.3 we converted as what? 1 by 3. So it is non-terminating decimal. Sir, you explained as simple example, sir. You take little bit bigger one. Okay, I will take it, no problem. X is equal to 0.75757575 we will take. I am not taking the textbook problem. I am my own problem. Just I am creating and solving, means even you can also create many number of problems. Mathematics, this class is not for those who are already above average and getting good marks. No, 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 no. It is just keeping view of the average students. So x is equal to 0.75757575. Okay. Now here periodicity is how much? 2. Multiply with 100. 100x is equal to 75.757575 will come, and write x is equal to 0.757575, right, and it will become 99. X is equal to 75. This part will be cancelled. So x is equal to 75 by 99. 7 plus 5 12. 9 plus 9 18. Both are divisible with 3 table. So 3 25 and 3 3 3 3. What is the answer? 25 by 33. I cannot continue the division. So this is how much? 25 by 33. So this is the procedure of converting non-terminating decimal. I will take one more, mixed recurring decimal. How the mixed recurring decimal will be there? 0.18181818181. Here 81 is repeating, but what 1 is not repeating. So first digit remains as it is, and after that the repetition will start. So how to do this problem? Well, first what we have to do is, this 181 we have to bring this side. To bring that side, I am multiplying with 1000. 181.818181, and next time I should bring only 1. 1x is equal to 1.818181. I think all of you understood. First time I multiplied with 1000. Second time I am multiplying with only 10. Right, sorry, 10. So now what it will become? This will cancel. It is equal to 180, and it is equal to how much? 990x, and x is equal to 180 by 990. 0 0 cancel. 9 2s are 18, 9 11s are 2 by 11. So all of you got a doubt whether my answer is right or wrong. So 2 you divide with 11, what happens? We will see. 0.0, 11 1s are 11, 9 will come. 0, 11 8s are 88. How much will come down? Sorry, here better take 11 9s are 11 9s are 99. 11 8s are 88. 90 minus 88 is how much? 2. 2 0. Again 11 1s are 11. So how much will come? 90. So 11 8s are 88. Again 2 0. Again 11 1s are 11. 90. Again 11 8s are 88. So 18 18 18 18 81 81 81 will come. So understood it or not? So it is mixed recurring decimal. So today you learn how to convert the terminating decimal to a fraction and non-terminating decimal to a fraction. So repeatedly you watch. In textbook they have defined, they have given clearly, and they explained clearly. You read the textbook and try to solve the problem of rational numbers. Children, in rational numbers chapter, you have 4 properties: closure property, commutative property, associative property, identity property, inverse property, distributive property. After that, you have this what about that representation of rational numbers on the number line. After this one. So with this, the first chapter will be completed. Don't think that 8th class whether they are going to conduct the exams or not, we will pass like previous year. Passing or failing is not important. Getting the subject is important. So all of you practice well and be ready to come to school whenever our school people call you. All the best. Thank you.